Hi, if you're in the market for a brand new home, I want to show you 5 lots in Bethesda. Actually, 2 in Bethesda, 1 in Chevy Chase, 1 in Arlington, and 1 in McLean. And the first one is 6802 Dillon Avenue in downtown McLean. I'll actually be there today from 12 to 2, so stop on by. If you want to tour the outside of the lot, we're going to remove the old house in each of these cases, but I'll be on hand. Let me show you where this one is located. This is um, downtown McLean. You can actually walk just 5 minutes to Total Wine. So this is the property. It's at the end of a cul-de-sac. The land size is about 10,000 feet. It's flat, very quiet, and you can actually cut through this neighbor. There's a path right here cutting through to here. I think it's Tennyson. And then you can walk just, what is that, about a block, and you're at Total Wine. And then across the street is Giant Food, Starbucks. So if you want a walkable lot to downtown McLean, this is phenomenal. The new home and lot will probably start around 1.56 million. Let me show you the next one. So anyhow, I'll be there today from 12 to 2, so stop on by. I'll show you some plans on that one. The next one is at 1522 Hardwood Lane in McLean. That's a 15,000 foot lot. So this is in Chesterbrook neighborhood, so if you want to be close to Arlington, close to Crystal City, close to Washington D.C., this is right, very, what I guess, the westernmost part or the easternmost part of McLean, right in here. Beautiful 15,000 foot lot. So this one is a very private lot. It overlooks one house and then Pimmet Run. Then new home and lot will start at 1.79 million on that one. Then let me show you one in Chevy Chase. This is at 5200 Murray Drive, and that's over here in Chevy Chase. Where is that? Right over here. So that is just a few blocks to the 5 blocks of the Friendship Heights Metro. This is a 12,000 foot lot. New home and lot will start around 2.1 million. This feeds BCC High School, but you can walk to the Metro. You can walk to all these restaurants over here, all the shops, Mazik Gallery. Let me show you. The next one is at 6. I think it's, what is it? 6529 Elgin Lane. This is a beautiful 15,000 foot flat lot in Bannockburn, in Bethesda, in the Bannockburn neighborhood. This feeds Walt Whitman. Gorgeous lot right here. The elementary school is Bannockburn, and then it feeds Pyle Middle School. New home and lot on that one will start about 1.9 million. Then we have one. If you want the address on this one, this is off Cindy Lane. Back here, this is a half of an acre. Where is that? Half of an acre. Back here, off 7 Locks. This feeds Winston Churchill High School, Cabot Middle School, and then 7 Locks Elementary School. This new home and lot will start at around 1.59 million. This is a half of an acre. It's beautiful. And then we have another one we're releasing. Call me on these last two if you want to get the addresses. This is in Franklin Park. This one you can walk to Discovery Elementary and Williamsburg Middle School. This is another very large, I think it's a 28,000 foot lot. New home and lot on that one will start at about 1.9 million. So stop by today, 12 to 2. I will be at 6802 Dillon Avenue in McLean, downtown McLean, and I can happy to talk about these other lots. We have many other lots. This is just a few we're working on. So I hope this was helpful, and I will talk to you soon.